Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install .NET SDK on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this site dotnet.microsoft.com and then click on this downloads link. Now click on this link and select the distribution. I am going to install .NET SDK on Ubuntu, so click here and then select the Ubuntu distribution and then .NET version. Okay, copy this command and open a new terminal and write this command here with sudo privilege, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating your system and installing .NET SDK. That's it. Now I am going to verify the installation using this command .NET --version. That's it. Install the runtime using this command ASP.NET Core runtime is already the newest version installed on my machine. When we install with a package manager, these libraries are installed automatically. But if we manually install .NET or we publish a self-contained app, we will need to make sure these libraries are installed. So check this. That's it. Already installed. You can check another one. That's it. Now I am going to create a new .NET console application on my machine. At first I am going to navigate to the desktop and then I am going to create a new console .NET application. Okay, now I am going to open this application with any text editor. Visual Studio Code is preferred. So I am going to open this application on Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code on your system. Okay, now I am going to run this .NET application from terminal. Simple command .NET run, hit enter. That's it.